Today, we're going to talk about organizing your digital life, and Kat Nostrin and Melissa Lim will be presenting. It's a new series that we wanted to start this year to just share different things each month with you all. Kat and Melissa.
Thanks, Deborah. Hi, everybody. I'm Melissa Lim, and Kat, you can say your own.
I can say hi. Hi, everyone. I'm Kat Nestrand.
And we're technology integration specialists in the Learning Technologies department of Otis. And today we're doing this session on organizing your digital life. And these are by no means any groundbreaking new tips that you have probably not heard before, but maybe right now is a good time to remind you to do some of these things and then start some practices that become more regular for you. So we'll go ahead and get started.
So if your drive is getting filled up or your desktop, delete files you don't need. If you haven't used them for a while, I just did this earlier today. I deleted some stuff that I just had sitting that I kind of used. Sometimes I drag stuff to my desktop to just hold it there until I get to it, or to remind me to look at something, but then deleting those files that you don't need. And pro tip is to empty your trash or recycling once you get rid of those. Just empty them. It frees up space and doesn't bog down your computer.
I think there was one time I was working with, I won't say who, but they had never emptied their trash. There was over a gigabyte of stuff in the trash because you get so used to just saying move to trash or move to recycle bin, and that doesn't empty anything. So you just have to remember to empty as well. Is just a plug for our Learning Technologies team. And so this link on the left-hand side, pps.net/learningtech, is the link to the website within the Otis web pages. And so there's lots more information about the digital toolkit. And if you want to request an app or an extension and how to do that, it has links to the database of all the apps and extensions that are already vetted and approved. So that's what that website is. And then this is pps.net/LTOtis. And that's a newer website that shows a menu of services that our team offers, including coaching, so instructional technology integration coaching. And it also has some information about our leadership team. And then we're also going to start spotlighting teachers that are doing great work in their classrooms. So just a couple of links to check out from our team.